Hello everyone, how you doing today? This is Lavelle Smith, and my featured car for today is the 2019 pre-owned white Equinox, which is one of Chevrolet's most popular brand of automobiles. Here it is right here. It's a beautiful white Equinox with the gold bow tie, signifying the fact that Chevrolet backs it up 100%. Oh man, and is not this a clean automobile? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look back here in the trunk, show you the amount of space that it has available. And this is from the back to the front. Oh boy, really look nice. Then I'm going to walk up here and get into the inside of it, and man, sit inside this beautiful car. And I'm telling you, as you can look around and see, it is magnificent. Well kept, well clean automobile. Hey, I'm sitting inside your seat. Why don't you come up here and get your car? It's waiting on you. Look forward to meeting you. Bye-bye.